What is up, everyone? Jay Flores here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make some potato mojos. Let's go. Intro. Before we start, please do hit that subscribe button and of course ring that bell para wala kayong ma-miss na upload ko, since I'll be doing some cooking tutorials probably 2 to 3 times a week. Yes, I upload maximum, I guess, 3 times a week. I'll do my best. Basta, just subscribe and ring that bell if you're into cooking, sometimes sneakers, toys, and really often travel. Okay? Let's proceed. So for today's episode, it's gonna be really simple. You just need potatoes, spices, and oil. And one more thing, I'll teach you how to make some homemade ranch, because this will go perfectly well sa mga mojos natin. Not just a potato, you could do chicken or salad or whatever. Just consider this as a 2-in-1 cooking tutorial. So without further ado, game. So that is it for the vlog, everyone, or for the cooking tutorial, if I may say. If you had fun, if you think that looks nice, if you think that looks masarap. Basta if you liked the video or if you liked the tutorial, never forget to leave a thumbs up, and I hope you will try this at home. Share it to your friends. For sure, they will love it. Okay? Again, please do comment down below kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around. Never forget to subscribe, hit that bell, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment. I would appreciate that big time. Again, God bless, stay safe, peace.